Hello everyone, so you want to change the keyboard language on your Samsung Galaxy Tab as an NFE. First of all, open up Google Notes or basically any kind of application which summons your keyboard, because we will need it now. Now find your gear icon on your keyboard, choose your languages and types, press manage input languages, and here you'll get a list of different languages. So for example, we want to enable our standard Chinese, so simply tap on the switch near it, so it goes blue. When it goes blue, it means it's on. Now let's go back to our Google. We're summoning our keyboard. So to change the language, find this little globe icon, tap on it, and you will go through the list of the languages which you have. So English, Albanian, and Chinese. And now we can, for example, let's tap Ni hao. Right, so easy is that. If you want to change your language back to English, once again, tap on the same icon, and now you can type something in English. If you want to delay the language from your language input, once again, open up Settings, Languages and Types. For example, choose your manage language input, and now simply tap on the switches near the languages to disable them. When they go gray, it means the language is disabled. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.